Why the Hayli Gubbi volcano erupted. After 12,000 years, scientists explain a long silent volcano in northern Ethiopia violently reawakened on Sunday, sending massive ash clouds hundreds of kilometers across the Red Sea toward Yemen, Oman, and even parts of India and Pakistan. The Hayli Gubbi volcano, located in the Afar region about 800 kilometers northeast of Addis Ababa, had shown no confirmed activity for almost 12,000 years until now. The eruption lasted several hours and covered the nearby village of Afdera in thick ash. If you like my content and want to listen more interesting science stories like this, then subscribe my channel and don't forget to like and share this video with your friends and colleagues. A rare but not impossible event. Volcanologists say the eruption is unusual, not because long dormant volcanoes cannot erupt, but because this part of Ethiopia remains poorly studied. Ariana Soldati, a volcanologist at North Carolina State University, explains, as long as the conditions for magma generation exist, a volcano can erupt, whether it has been quiet for 1,000 years or 10,000. Hayli Gubbi is a shield volcano positioned within the East African Rift Zone, one of the world's most active tectonic regions. Here, the African and Arabian plates are slowly moving apart at roughly 1.5 centimeters per year. This stretching thins the crust, allowing magma to rise from deep below. Was 12,000 years really the last eruption? Some scientists doubt that the volcano was truly silent for a full 12 millennia. Juliet Biggs, an earth scientist at the University of Bristol, notes that although no historical records document an eruption, satellite images hint at possible recent lava flows. I would be surprised if the last eruption really occurred more than 12,000 years ago, she says. Biggs adds that large eruption plumes, such as the umbrella-shaped cloud seen on Sunday, are extremely rare in this region. Warning signs appeared months earlier. The eruption did not come entirely without clues. In July, the nearby Erta volcano erupted, causing measurable ground deformation beneath Hayli Gubbi. This indicated magma migration at depths of nearly 30 kilometers. Researchers also observed subtle uplift of the volcano's summit and white puffy clouds, likely early degassing signals. These were hints that magma was moving upward and pressure was building. Investigating what happened beneath the surface, Derek Keir, an earth scientist from the University of Southampton who happened to be in Ethiopia at the time, collected fresh ash samples the following day. Biggs says analyzing these samples will reveal the magma's chemical composition and help determine whether Hayli Gubbi has indeed been dormant since the early Holocene. This eruption reinforces just how understudied the region is, she notes. Impact beyond Ethiopia. According to the Toulouse Volcanic Ash Advisory Center, the eruption lofted ash up to 14 kilometers into the atmosphere, high enough for winds to transport it across the Arabian Peninsula and into South Asia. Although local officials reported no casualties, the ash fallout may significantly impact pastoral communities that depend on livestock and grazing or volcano in a geologically active neighborhood. Hayli Gubbi rises only about 500 meters above sea level, but it sits inside one of the planet's most dynamic volcanic zones. The East African Rift is gradually tearing a continent apart and producing frequent volcanic and geothermal activity. The Smithsonian Institution's Global Volcanism Program lists no confirmed eruptions during the Holocene, meaning Sunday's event may be the first scientifically documented eruption in over 12,000